Active stocks, we have BBAI, CFLT, NVDA, IBIO, and PlotPal. BBAI down 4.55%. Volume in this session roughly right around half of its average 50-day volume. Okay, let's see now. Is there any news? I think there is some news here. Um, yeah, the company has opened its first Middle East office at the World Trade Center, Abu Dhabi, to boost AI innovation for global security, announced by the company's CEO. Okay, underlying trend is bearish. Yeah, the consolidation that began, I would say, since, okay, let's just say since the 29th of September, is expected to remain in place at least up till the 2nd of January. But in the midst of all of that, it has the potential to test the highs of 7.14, 7.95, 8.44. Previous projections we're seeing indicating prices like 8.51, 9.47, 10.06, 10.06. Okay, let's see its chart here to see if there's any 7.18 printed on Thursday, the 4th of December. NVDA up fractionally 0.87%. Okay, approaching its 50-day average of 192 million shares. Volatility is expected to increase somewhat. We have a position in NVIDIA. Okay, let's see what we have in terms of. I don't think we need to worry that much about what option traders are doing. Um, they're likely. Okay, well, let me not conclude. Intraday high $1.88. NVIDIA. Let's see what we have. There's some news out there. Let's see. Okay, NVIDIA is identified as a major beneficiary of the current AI wave, with strong order books projected for the next 1 year to 2 years, driven by significant investments in data center infrastructure. Okay, the stock rose. Okay, in rose 5% post earnings. Okay, let's see. NVIDIA will launch its Rubin CBX chip next year, enabling efficient management of large AI tasks like million token coding and generative video, with notable cost benefits over rivals. Okay, gains on reports used to open up exports to chip makers GPUs. Okay, that's the big news. The U.S. Department of Commerce to soon allow export of NVIDIA's GPUs, which are about 18 months behind its most advanced offerings. Okay, yeah. So in any case, the underlying trend is still bullish, strongly bullish. And it's been contracting. It's been contracting the expansion that happened, or rather that ended, that they had a double top, who's had a double top that ended on the 3rd of November. It's been contracting that expansion, but has picked up of late. Would it hold? Okay, the algo seems to be suggesting that it has some projections towards 186.64, 193.17, 199.20. We know it has printed the highs of around this was 200. This is $206. Okay. Projections are saying as of the 13th of November up to 220, 227.81. However, the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that it's going to be more of a decline, and the 40-day moving average is probably declining as well to contract this expansion that is wants to keep going up. Once as it is now, we can just say it wants to keep going up, but the extrapolation say it's not going to go up, and the 40-day moving average is also saying it's I'm here to prevent it from going up. Yeah, momentum is going to continue to decline. It may take a downturn maybe briefly from Friday the 12th, or no, from Monday the 13th, but it might actually, yeah, just it may just go neutral. Yeah, it may just go neutral up till mid the second half of January of next year. Yeah, indeed, there are also down projections, but one of the audits is going to print the lows of 142.15. The last time it was at this sort of level was all the way back to the summer of this year. Yeah, IBIO, can we get anything? Not coming up. IBIO, okay. IBIO is up 43.75%. Okay, the strength it has now is expected to remain in place at least up to the 11th of December. Then after that, it's going to be a consolidation. Then, yeah, at least up till the 9th of January. Projections are saying 1.99, 2.38, 2.63. Momentum is expected to gradually begin to decline. And, yeah, maybe even plunge from the 22nd of December, then continue the consolidation. Let's see what the news for iBio is. Okay, halted at one point. Yeah, let's see. We might find some news for iBio. Mm, no clear catalysts. Okay, okay. Float is not tiny either. Okay, iBio. Let's see. Intraday high $2.42. 105 million shares have crossed the tape. No clear catalyst. Yeah. Let's see what the 4-hour chart is saying for iBio. Okay, more of a consolidation going at least all the way towards the 17th of December. The 40 period moving average is also rising to make sure it contracts this, yeah, whatever it is, yeah, contract the, yeah, any possible pullback, yeah, to contract it. That's what it's rising up to do. 1.42 is the projection we have, okay. PLUG down 0.91%, volume 76.472 million shares. Let's see what we have for, okay, no fresh intraday high for pop out. PLUG, let's see. Okay, so a contraction is expected to play out. That might, yeah, that might go all the way towards the 10th of December. Then after that, it bounce, yeah, might kick in, and then it might go, it might just consolidate with an accumulative bias going all the way towards the 17th of December. Projections on this 4-hour chart is saying $2.2, but as high as high as 3.38, 6.54, 7.14. You know, let's have a look at its daily chart. The line trend is neutral. Yeah, okay, it's bullish, just slightly bullish. Okay, the extrapolation here is saying that it's going to bounce. It had actually had a bounce as of the 1st of December. So the extrapolation saying that it might resume it from tomorrow the 9th and might hold it up till the 30th of December. No guarantee that that will be the case. Momentum is expected to remain stable, at least pretty much stable, and maybe begin to decline slightly from the 26th of December. Projections are saying on this daily chart 2.39, 3.22, 3.80, 4.16. CFLT up 29.34%, 125 million shares have crossed the tape. The average volume is usually 10 million shares. Intraday high 30.81. Okay. CFLT. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that it might maintain the strength up till Wednesday the 10th. Then after that, it might go into a contraction. But the 40-day moving average is expected to rise to offer to provide a contraction of any possible dip, which is what may happen. So, and from this extrapolation, it might actually work because this is saying that the stock might get a bounce from the 16th of January. Yeah. Projections are currently saying 25.15, and we have here 30 dollars. Let's see, 30.81, 30.81. Uh, um, Momentum is also expected to keep declining, going all the way towards the 23rd of December. Yeah. After that, it might pick up a bounce, but may not be as strong as what we've seen of late. Yeah, and there's news. IBM will acquire Confluent for $11 billion, $31 per share. So that's also going to be an issue. It may not go beyond that. Yeah, if that becomes definitive. Okay. Confluent's platform processes real-time data streams, crucial for large scale AI projects amid growing demand for support in generative AI applications and consolidation in data infrastructure. Okay, see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.